Do you want your Windows 10 or 11 PC to run faster? If your laptop or computer is running low on C drive space, it can become slow and laggy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and effective methods to clean up your C drive, remove junk files, and free up storage space so your system runs smoother and faster. Let's get started. First, come over here, click on the Search Now type Defragment and Optimize. Drive, click on it. Now choose the C drive. Now click Optimize. Keep in mind, doing this process can take a long, so leave it the way it is. And let's roll into other troubleshooting. Now, the next work you need to do is go to your PC and right-click on the Windows logo. Choose On Run from here. Shortcut Windows +R, enter temp here, click OK or press Enter from here. Select all the unwanted or junk files. Here, click Delete. If it asks for any permission, check the mark here and click Continue. Some files are not deletable, so skip them now. Again, open the run box and type %temp%. Then click OK or press Enter. Select all the files from here and delete them as well. Files also from here are not deletable, so skip them. Open the run box again and type prefetch and click OK. Another window will appear and it will ask for permission to click on Continue. Select all files and folders from here and delete them. Some files are not deletable. Skip them now. I'm going to talk about some files that you keep in your C drive. Now, if you open up your PC, you can see all the coloured folders. Make sure you remove all the files from here, like your download files, picture, video, music, and more. Moving all the files or removing files will help you to get some fresh storage from your Windows computer. After doing all the process, we will discuss the recycle bin. Several people don't know about the recycle bin process. And deleting anything from your computer is stored in your recycle bin using your computer C drive. So you must delete all the folders and files from recycle bin to do that. Right-click on the recycle bin, choose to empty recycle bin. Click Yes. Now to clear out your storage from your C drive, open search bar, type storage, click on storage settings. Now you can see here your local disk's fee storage. Now take a look at all the files at a glance. You need to clear out your storage. Now choose all the things from here. You can remove unwanted apps and feature, or you can remove temporary files or others. After removing unwanted files from here, follow the last method. Right? Click on the Windows logo or choose Run from here. Shortcut Windows +R, enter Queen MGR. Here, click OK or press Enter. Check mark all the options here now. Click on Clean Up System File SA. It will calculate for some time and check the mark option that you want to delete. After the process, click OK. Delete file before checking mark is be sure to read those options. That's all after doing all the process. And that's it. By following these methods, you'll be able to clean your C drive, free up space, and improve your PC's performance. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.